What is up, y'all? So this is my second time attempting to do a self-cut beard. We will see how it turns out, but I am going to start off with my beard comb. I'm using my beard comb right on my cheek line, lining it up with a pencil to make sure I can see where it's at. And then I follow up with my razor to make sure it's baby smooth, crispy line up. I set in my guideline with my Andis Slimline Pros. Then I follow up with my Wall Finale shavers to make sure it's nice and balded out. Then I use my trimmer to blend the shaver line to hair, and then use my clippers, my Oster Fast Feeds, closed halfway and then open, and then just keep gradually blending down into the length that I have already in my beard. Now I'm going to do the same exact steps on the opposite side, starting off with my bald line and then following up with the clipper and blending into the length that I have in my beard. Now the color that I'm using here is by Certified, but you can use any semi-permanent color and just really darken up that beard, especially in the areas that you're weaker. It'll really make that beard pop. Now here I believe I saw an inconsistency, so I'm going back with my pencil, making a nice little guideline and re-edging up that to make sure it's nice and sharp. Now I'm using some aftershave. The one I have here is by Gentleman's Republic, but again you can use the aftershave of your choice. I'm just spraying it onto my blade. I actually learned this from my friend Ramirez, and it will sharpen up that semi-permanent line, because what the aftershave does is it removes the semi-permanent, but if you put it onto the blade, it will remove it only where the inconsistencies are and make that line nice and sharp. Moving to my mustache area using my trimmer. Then I follow up with my fast feeds with the grain to make sure I'm preserving length but removing any unwanted bulk. Now if I would have went against the grain with the fast feeds, it definitely would have took off more length than I would have wanted. Like I said, I wanted to preserve that length but just remove some of that bulk. Afterwards, I'm following up with my Andis Slimline trimmers just to make sure that bottom line is nice and crispy. Moving down to my chin area, using the pencil to make a straight line. Then following up with some enhancements, spraying some aftershave onto the razor and making that line nice and crispy. Now I'm just hitting the mustache area again. I think I might have saw some inconsistencies just to make it a little sharper. Now I'm moving down to the neck area, and I'm gonna just line that up with my gold FXs and follow up with my wall finales to make sure it's all balded out, no stubble. And there you have it. That is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it turned out pretty good, definitely for my second time. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.